Hello guys, we are Nyantechi TV and I will share on YouTube. Na my imagine say Ebrebiano made the updates from Asante Kotoko camp at the Ebebremo. Na the ekoso ewo team nimu ene the team no biano yebema monsoma de mohu. Na we Kotoko endurance any more fitness exerciser or more ewo KNUST Asante Kotoko sporting club no media no eco fire the buy into this video is by the kind courtesy of AKSC media and I also yenye bia ye de programming na ansakra na ye best start ye beka Asante Kotoko a year or more endurance and strength fitness and as a strength exerciser or more kwaye wo KNUST no yedi kan a year team no company na or sponsor Kotoko with kits a year our kit sponsor no I friend of the Hopes brand and the Hope brand THB I must say is a Kotoko or more training kit no is very beautiful. Papa. Mekai Brebia na Asante Kotoko issue area GC no. Na Sabre no. Na you feel say area GC no was the best. Na papa in terms of quality because the area no omo no was system ni mudada. Eti kodu brea na won say yesesa na ye ne the Hopes brand and as a TH before a sign a contract na omo kete team no. Now people were like, go for your mama that you need more, you know, I think put on mobile system, a club like Asante Kotoko na no equal sign contract with THB no. Now a lot of people I worried kakra. But what share the first JC or the buy? I heard the second JC or the buy. I heard the third JC and at the current JC Asante Kotoko. You sure it I must tell you, sir, I didn't papa na the quality no so. I was wrong. It was a bo TH before na baso. Like okay, even the training kits, the one we use Asante Kotoko colors no, Asante mine colors no. Na omo the designing jerseys my team na. Oh, I must tell you, it is so nice. And until the me person me can say, obi bia. And compare replica JC ni be 300 Ghana cedis per na yento na yen fan support team no na wo hwe sa no papa no say weather no emu ominu pa you know enti ehun be hia say players no ye di omo be fa you know endurance and strength training no mo tutumbrika e wa wonim because unim say ye call South Africa no Kotoko could have played better. Though they did play better. But maybe if you say anka team no say nankenye weather no and I say acclimatization yenya enough time to acclimatize to the weather patterns in South Africa. And anka team no wo harder that if Kotoko was and I said the team was based in South Africa and they had the privilege and opportunity to come ebe year training wa woni man for the emphasis a period of about 1 month. And carbon and be bunk of one papa. And you know one thing is that going to Africa, you don't know where Obeko. Either you move to the north, the central part of Africa, or the southern part. And we all know, say, the northern part, most of the northern parts of Africa are very cold. The southern part as well. And so even part of the central part of Africa too is very cold. You know, maybe unya Sahel and I say within West Africa, Kroni bi. Aha, na say your Sahara and I say Sahel regions in Mudia eno die na say hono kakra. Indeed, there is a need for the team to do a lot of training, a lot of physical works. Na ahwodeno, you know, obo people, na wo sane, na mo fro, na mo ba. It is so nice. And team no na wo home breaker more year KNUST so they when you say ye were nice places minim ni for this idea but It is a fantastic idea, and anybody that even thought say you have players because Ghana apart from KNUST and fancy bit me one road you be block a team no nye exercise unya baby obinya kwan a just a bianca a brick I want to move unya be kwan a mu e be da ho say players beat me a tumrika up and down area fast area training. So I feel say it is so nice. We keep anata dear camera and a shannon F papa. Now we players and also they will almost say, oh, in fact, this is so nice. This is so nice. Now the ma am a fair crown say or more logo no. A do some more black amakotokono or much sano at the echo red. You know, so you could see it clearly. You know, say in himself more the white and I the boom, but say the bob black modia then I was see a yellow black. So this we share your last penalty in my and this is the new player we joining Asante Kotoko. A new signing now a striker now. Or share number 9 Jason. Babaya yani. And he tells you say paying for the normal guakwema the only thing we must pray senka you bit me affect say babayara. We need the stadium for our the league matches. Says said you mean me and ready for Kotoko to play our home matches in Babayara ebe hardwin. Mokai said ye call boasino. Na ye koba now we have to change venue. Say yanko doctor you kwame che horse yanko ni nyina ka ho am watim no. Enti ye bon price pay for with me a year juma ewo. Babayara 10. You should be here be enfam so fertilizer or more apply. Na enye green in chason tem yen fan boy matches e basa itimibua because Kotoko is able to play well at home when they are playing any other team than say ayana walk away because wow last season away records now it tells you say team no boye ewo ifie nti Africa na dey we players are signing on more dia. I am highly optimistic and our hisi cancel team nenya for preparation. The $100,000 a team nenya or the preparation towards Africa now, and also tells you say team no betimi ayo no pa konenim enti moment fan ball entire team na chi yen support team no na yen ye fa busian so no na yen support team no by going to ye stadium akɔhwɛ matches bra ye ball matches na team no so etimi enyeska me da say ayenyantachi TV baba.